Okay, so let's talk about SAS GCLI tools. This is a collection of tools that I've written that allow you to use GCLI to do various things in LabVIEW. If you go to sas-gcli-tools.gitlab.io and you click on installation, you'll see there's a list of all of the tools that we have available. These are just the ones that I've written. There may be other GCLI tools out there for other things. Let's just quickly go through this list. If you go to sas-gcli-tools.gitlab.io, you'll see that there's a list of tools there that I've built for doing various things in LabVIEW using GCLI. And let's just go through this list real quickly. Clear LabVIEW cache clears the cache. There is a built-in GCLI command for that. I wrote this before that existed. There is a VIPC applier. You give it the name of a VIPC and a version of LabVIEW and it will install the VIPC. There's LabVIEW build spec, which will build any build spec you can build in LabVIEW for any target. There is VI tester and LUnit for running unit tests and generating reports. VIPB will build the VI package. So you have a package build spec, you point at that and it'll just build it for you. The last two, VIP installer and switcheroo, often get used together. So VIP installer lets you install a single VI package. And that can be a local package or you can pull it from VIPM. And it also does some other little things like it will list all the packages that are installed for you if you want. It will also list like available LabVIEW versions for VIPM. So if you have some issues, you can use that. It's kind of like a Swiss Army knife utility. It has a couple things tacked on there. Switcheroo is very interesting. So switcheroo and VIP installer are often used together because what I will do is I will write a set of tests against my library. So all the code that I'm going to put into VIPM is in a library. I write a set of tests against it. I run those unit tests. That's great. Then I build the package. Then I install the package. And when I install it, I change the name of the library so that there's no name collisions. And then I take switcheroo. I point it at my unit tests. I load the unit test. The switcheroo loads the unit test and replaces the source code library with the new library in VILib, and then I run the test again. So I get to use the test twice, once for the source library and once for the installed library, and that makes sure that everything gets linked correctly and put in the correct place. And you can also do this for PPLs. So you write tests against the source library, and then you can use those same tests against the built PPL to make sure that everything functions correctly once it's built into a PPL. So that's really useful. That's kind of an advanced use case, but it's worth knowing that that exists, and I have some blog posts about how to do that.